Meet the pangolin, an enchanting creature covered in overlapping scales, making it the world's only scaled mammal. Native to Africa and Asia, pangolins possess a remarkable defense mechanism. They roll into a protective ball when threatened. Sadly, these gentle creatures face the threat of extinction due to illegal wildlife trade. With their prehistoric appearance and unique adaptations, pangolins showcase the delicate balance of nature and the urgent need for conservation to ensure the survival of this extraordinary, scaly mammal.